The state has launched fresh attacks on the opposition politician Nelson Chamisa. These fresh attacks were evident Sunday after police in Gweru blocked holding a rally organized by Chamisa's allies Gift Ostalo Siziba and Amos Chibaya in Mokova North constituency. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. In blocking the rally, the police said the convener did not specify the venue of the rally and that there was a real threat of violence breaking out. According to the letter dated 9th March 2024 addressed to 1 Tonderai Chorira by the officer commanding police, Gweru Urban District Chief Superintendent T.B. Gumbo, the rally, which was scheduled to take place this Sunday, could not go ahead in the interest of public safety. Part of the letter reads, "The office acknowledges receipt of your notification to hold a Nkomba North Citizens Rally on 10th March 2024 at the golf course. Note that you did not specify the venue of the intended rally in your notification, hence your notification falls short of the information required. In addition, there is a real threat of violence erupting as a result of clashes between the supporters of the speakers and another group claiming to be from the same organization as yours, who are indicating that the speakers should not continue using the logo of the party, which record them." This is today's news about the police launching fresh attacks on Chamisa. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.